Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the Wi-Fi password on your Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go into your PC that's of course contained in the Windows 11 and open it up. Once it's opened, and of course, sorry, if you have a Windows 10, you can just go into your settings and actually upgrade into Windows 11. You can even run the installation or the download into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. Of course, your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem, especially if you have a good PC. And once the download or installation is done, you'll be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. And when you do that, you'll find your Windows 11 is ready to use. Of course, you'll even have a recovery point if you want to go back into Windows 10 whenever you want, especially maybe if you're getting some issues, but I don't think that will happen, and you will even like Windows 11 much better, especially when you get used to it. And of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not delete any personal files from you or files, documents, apps, anything. So don't worry about that. And as we said, we would like to get the Wi-Fi password on the Windows 11. So of course, if you are a laptop user, or even if you are a desktop user and you have the Wi-Fi card, you will not have this icon here. Because I'm using now the Wi-Fi as with the Ethernet or the Ethernet cable. Of course, there is two ways to know your Wi-Fi password. You can just go into the network sharing settings. So let's just click at Windows I, which will open the settings, and now go into network and internet. And of course, here you can just simply click at your Wi-Fi. I don't have this option here because I don't have a Wi-Fi card in my PC. Then select the wireless properties, and in wireless network properties, select the security tab. And of course, just select show characters checkbox, and your Wi-Fi password will be displayed there. Of course, you can even choose or use the CMD option. You can just go and open your CMD, and all you need to do here is just to type this out. Sorry, not this one. Of course, that's just the name of our video. So what we would like to type is this NETAH space WLAN space show space profile space the name of the Wi-Fi. So here, let's say as an example, the name of my Wi-Fi is gonna be like this as an example, and space key space clear. And once you hit the enter button, you'll normally get your password here. And of course, if you're having these issues of this WLAN service is not running, just go and run it into your services. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.